Si enseñamos esta foto seguro que gana.
Come here, mate. I didn't get your name. Tony.
Tony.
Okay, excellent. So everybody who thinks Tony has the best costume, make some noise. Come on. Oh, come on, more. Hey, come on. Okay. So, madam, do you? Okay. All right. Okay. So, Julian and Paloma. Came out with all this done by themselves. So I think, madam, correct me if I'm wrong, do they win? Do they win the best couple? Excellent! So, here we go. What is this? Romantic? Exercise! Exactly. So that's for the best couple.
A ver, repetimos. Repetimos.
This is the best
De
couple,
cámara.
okay?
Awesome, thank you.
Ahora, 3 seconds. Vale, repetimos.
Oh, thank you! No, you know what? I'm going to give you something else. So, since Julian was not happy with the t-shirt, and he spoke to the Lord, and this Lord is very generous. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been very generous tonight. Right?
Okay, I'm not happy with
here you
my...
go. And this is for you too, Paloma. It's not just for Julian, okay? It's for you and him.
Much better.
Make some noise! Nuria, here.
Hostia, esa camiseta la tengo yo.
Girls, please, here.
Esa camiseta la tengo yo, Martín. Con la que jugamos el torneo de fútbol.
Okay. Right. So now I need your help again. I really think these ladies look really good. What do you guys think about these ladies here? Make some noise. Come on. Because I'm going to give you a t-shirt from the Spanish Chamber, right? So that's for you. Thank you. Excellent. So now, between Nuria and Stevie, Kurt Cobain.
No, esta es la de... Esta es con la que jugamos en torneo de fútbol. Torneo de fútbol que te dijeron es...
Madam, please. I have a really bad ear, so I need Madam to help me. Everybody who thinks Kurt Cobain wins, make some noise. Kurt, those two ladies don't like you. They didn't make any noise. Where's your gun? Out of bullets. Okay. So everybody who thinks Nuria wins, make some noise. Everybody who thinks I win, make some noise. Oh, come on! After everything I gave you tonight? Wait, do you hear that sound? Do you hear that sound? No? That sound is my heart breaking. You just broke my heart. But, madam, who do you think won between Stevie and Nuria? Do you need another voice on? No? You know who won?
I think it would be fair enough and everybody would agree with me that today the best costume is our beautiful lady, the costume of bride.
Pero es por la foto que le he echado yo,
We have the best gift ever. The best gift ever. Do you know what this is, Nuria?
Hostia, Llorente.
The vision of
Qué
the...
cabrón, Javier. Voy a tener que hablar con él,
The love of her life.
Si los
The
he
love of
visto
her
bien.
life just gave her a t-shirt, gentlemen. Make some noise. Thank you.
Now everybody can come back to our dancing and your drinks and have fun with us.
Javier,
Why everybody is so focused on my nipples?
Javier, ¿cómo es esto? ¿Cómo es esto? 1, 2 y 3. ¡Salud!
Here you have bread of the dead if you want to try. It's really good. I cook it myself.
What is bread of the dead?
Awesome. So are the dead people in it? That's what it was back when. Can you imagine when I was to be
Have you guys just come out of hell? Or where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? No horny devils or whatever?
We are just
Horny devils, I like that.
Representative.
the representative of the horny devils, yeah. Very horny, yeah. Yeah.
We're too good in our Christmas garden.
La conocí en Barcelona. Yo estaba viviendo hace tiempo ahí, bueno, 8 años, y la conocí un día con mi cumpleaños.
¿Qué dijiste? Que se murió.
Would you tell us about the other side?
Just came from the other side, and it's more lively. It's blacker body, so let's go. It's not too far.
I just want to say this is the best party I've been to for a long time. I actually got a makeup on, and there is lots of food, there's lots of dead people, and it's all free. You can all come here and enjoy. I want to say the Spanish Chamber of Commerce in Estonia is doing a great job, and I want to come to every one of their parties. When they make the next one, then I'm gonna be here, and I hope you all come as well.
So, you heard what he said, folks. It's the best place to be. If you're not here, you're not cool.
All right, that's it. Let's eat. Okay. What are you doing here? You must be one of the dead people.
Just stop by to refuel, get some more supplies for the ship. Supplies. Today is the day of the death, Dia de los Muertos. So today all the deads come out and hang out with people who are alive, celebrate. I don't know, just make it happen.
The dead people come home.
I guess, yeah.
Okay. Sounds great. Sounds great.
Can I go now?
Väga tore on.
Mis te sellest porgandiga mängust arvasite?
Vist jäi vahele
Ei näinudki?
Me nägime ainult auhindade jagamist. Nägime, kui palju
jäite paljust ilma. Aga muidu, kes te olete?
Me oleme Nuurid ja Kiisud ja ootame uut üritust ja muidugi võid nurruda, magada.
Aga nurruge nüüd korralikult siis, üks korralik nurrumine.
Liiga lärmast ja ei ole suurt.